everyone, my name is Jim Medsker. I'm with Keystone Solutions Group. I'm the president and founder, and we're here in sunny Anaheim at MD&M West 2020. I'd like to take a few moments to talk about who we are and what we do for our clients. And to do that, I'll walk through some of our products that we have here at our showcase. One of the product lines that we produce is a negative pressure wound therapy kit. So it includes a dressing, a drape, and a tube set, and this is used to enhance healing in certain wound applications. We also produce products in the imaging arena. So we have an X-ray tape here that's used in fluoroscopy procedures, as well as MRI markers that are used for the treatment of prostate cancer and also uterine cancer. So we provide contract packaging, assembly, and kitting services for a wide range of products, including orthopedic kits. So this is a tray and a kit system that we provide the packaging, assembly, and kitting services. This is a unique product here that was just launched that greatly reduces trauma in cases where the patient has TMJ or has fractured their jaw. So this current standard of care uses screws and wires, and it's very traumatic. This is a very simple device called a MiniTie, and it is threaded through the interstitial spaces of the teeth and many loops around the jaw. No drilling, no screws, no wires. It's a very effective treatment for locking the jaw in place when that's required. Another interesting product that's just now on the market is an anti-extubation device here from Airway Innovations. We helped develop this and is now into manufacturing. So this is a safety device so that when people come out of general anesthetic and they have a tendency to pull the tube out of their throat, this keeps that from happening because that's a very dangerous event. So as you can see, a very wide range of products that we produce, and we can help develop these and manufacture these. To find out more about Keystone, please see our website at keystone-pd.com.
Well, we hope you enjoyed this video from MD&M West. To catch our future MedTech coverage, subscribe to our channel.